Hi there, my name is Josh and I want to talk to you today about Chicago Steak Company's flat iron steaks. They are good. As always, every order from Chicago Steak Company comes packaged in a reusable styrofoam cooler just like this, with plenty of dry ice to keep your steaks frozen during shipping. But let's take a look inside. And you can see that the steaks come perfectly packaged in this beautiful black and gold gift box. I love this box. Wow, look at those. Incredible. It's important to know that each steak is individually vacuum sealed and are uniquely registered specific to your order with your registration card. And as far as we're concerned, details are important in every aspect of your steak. Flat iron steaks, also known as top blade steaks, have gained a tremendous amount of popularity over the past several years as a more economical option for a really great tasting steak. These steaks are aged up to 6 weeks, which allows the fibers in the beef to break down, resulting in a more tender and flavorful cut of steak. This cut also has a fair degree of marbling, which allows for a rich and meaty flavor. We love marbling. It also makes a great gift for anyone on your list. They are artisan aged and hand cut, only the best. We know how important it is to have a great steak, and we take a huge amount of care in your order right from the moment you visit our website. So head over there now at mychicagosteak.com to order your flat irons today.